Hey guys, Rennie here with Off Grid Trek. Another opportunity of what I want to do. We've already done videos on our 220 watt solar blanket, two different videos, one with the Ellajoy solar charge controller and one with the Genasun charging a 52 volt 35 amp hour battery system. So now I'm going to take the opportunity, I'm just turning this way in case it's windy. I'm going to show you our 300 watt solar blanket with the Genasun setup, and then I'll take another day and same conditions. We got half cloud, half sun, so not perfect conditions, but it'll give you an idea. So I'll pull out the 300 watt solar blanket. I'll show you everything involved with the kit. I'll show you where we're at, and then I'll power up the e-bike batteries, which again, there's two batteries in here. They're 52 volt. It's a total of 35 amp hour between the two batteries. One's a 20 amp hour, one's a 15 amp hour. And then what we're going to do is do the math and see how 1 hour of charging under these conditions, how much range do you get? This specific, now all e-bikes are going to be a little different, but this specific one, and I'm just going to make sure the display is still on. Okay, good. People are saying they're getting 140 miles plus. I've put less than 1,000 kilometers on it, but I've put a great deal on, and I'm really impressed with how much we're getting out of it. But here, let me show you where we're at right now on the display. I'll show you the kit right after that. I believe it's 60%, but we're going to verify. Nope, 59. Okay, you see that? We're at 59%. I'm going to turn this off. Okay, because you cannot have the display on while you're charging. And then let me just pull everything out for you. Give me a quick second, and I'll show you everything that's in the kit, and then I'll lay it out, and then we'll come back in about an hour and see where we're at. Okay. So everything stores in these bags. We've got still lots of room. So now this is the 300 watt solar blanket here. You're about 14 pounds or just under, and you can see how lightweight and how little space it takes. The bonus to this is not only can we charge e-bike batteries, but we also have the ability, if we choose to, we can charge portable power stations or solar generators. We can deal with pretty much all of the models on the market. We have multiple cable options for that. We have a bug out kit so you can actually charge your vehicle battery, your trailer batteries. And if you choose not to have a power station, you can use our quick charge on the back, which has two high-speed USB, a USB Type-C, and a DC 5521 charging port. So what that translates to is, if you decided to have your laptop or MacBook, and they charge from USB Type-C, you can charge directly from the back. If you decide to charge, let's say, a drone, two-way UHF, VHF handheld ham radios, anything like your phone, your GPS, your camera batteries, any number of devices you can do. So here, let me lay this out now, guys. This is a little bigger than the 220 watt for physical footprint, but not a lot bigger. Okay, so here, let me lay it out here. This is my demo model, so it's got a bit of scratches on it. I'm just going to roll this up so it's not blowing around. There. So what we're going to do, I'll show you everything here. This is the Genasun charge controller that we're using. I just have this little device here so we can actually see the watts, the volts, and the amps. And I'll make sure that's in the video so you can kind of see where we're at based on all these clouds. I was hoping for sunnier conditions, but this will give a good example for a cloudy day. We actually got thunderstorm warning again today. Now the two other cables that are going to come with it are going to be, we're going to have a 3-foot cable. Depending on what you're looking for, we're going to have 4 different adapters. This is just one specific to the e-cells bikes, and I know these specific connectors will work with other e-bike bikes as well. Then we have our 15-meter cable here, which is approximately 5-meter cable, which is approximately 16.5 feet for easy math. Anderson SB to Anderson power pole end. So what we're going to do is connect this first to the Genasun, and then the Genasun to the e-bike battery. And the nice thing, and I know I've mentioned it in other videos, the nice thing about e-cells is they've got a patented connector there where you can charge both batteries just from one connector. So the rule of thumb, guys, is going to be whenever you're charging this, the first thing you're going to connect is your solar to your solar charge controller, which is this guy right here. And then from there, we're going to connect this guy directly to the charging port. And I'm going to see where we're at right now. So right now with all the cloud, we've only got about 75 watts going in. So 1.38 amps and about, so just tough to see, 53.59 volts. Now, when the sun comes out, that's going to change. But this is going to give an example based on a cloudy day, not a perfect sun day, how quickly you can charge from our 300 watt solar blanket. And then I'll just wait to have a brighter day so I can do it with full sun, just to show you, because it's obviously going to be about 2 to 3 times as quick for charging on that. But other than that, guys, yeah, we'll wait about an hour, and then I might even, if the sun comes out, I'll show you where we're at for amps and volts and watts on there as well too. But I'll take a photo and a video here. Let's see if this will actually, if you can see the screen on here. Give me a second, guys. So this is it. I don't know if you can read that or not. Oh, there we go. So 69, so 1.28, 1.29 amps, and then volts, we're at 53.66, so 69 watts. So again, that's what we got. Unfortunately, no direct sunlight, but either way, this gives an example. What will it do? What can we charge to on a cloudy day with our 300 watt solar blanket? And then we'll do the bright in a bit. Okay, this is it, guys. That's the layout there. I will be back in a little bit and we'll see where we're at. Okay, talk to you in a bit. Okay guys, we're at about the 30-minute mark. I just wanted to show you where we're at based on the clouds that we have. So, by the way, that's not the sky where the sun is. It's there. So it's behind that. So right now is about the sunniest it's been. Actually, it was a little sunny a moment ago. Got 100, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, wow. 105, it was just a moment ago, 114. Just as I was turning on the camera here, we were at 145 watts for a moment. But the fact that we're getting about 100 watts coming in, laying flat on the ground right here, and remember, we're at 51 degrees north latitude, guys. It's not like we're in Vegas or we're in, you know, what do you call it, Arizona or what have you, where the sun is directly above us. This is actually quite good. Here, I think it just got brighter. There you go. 100 and... there's 122, 23, 24 watts going in, which again is really good with all that cloud cover. So I just want to give you an idea. This is what we're working at. I was hoping to have a sunny day to give an example, but we'll use this as an opportunity and we'll show you how well this works on a not so sunny day and how quickly you'll charge your e-bike batteries based on the batteries that I have. You can take this math and kind of apply it to your batteries, because I know there's not all of them are 35 amp hour, but this will just give you an example based on what ours is, and then you can kind of extrapolate that information for your e-bike battery. Here, let's see, any better? There you go, there's the 140, 150 watts, 155, 56, 58, 163. No, sorry, it's kind of tough to see. There you go. 165 watts was the best I just saw a moment ago. Yeah, sorry, doing my best here, guys, for you to see it. Now we're down to 145, but again, that's what the cloud cover we have. So, yep, can't complain. The main thing is we're getting power. What is the... it's like trying to find the best angle. we're getting power on a cloudy day like today, which is pretty awesome. And that's the whole point behind our solar blankets, that they're going to work in low light conditions very well as bright light conditions. Okay, I'll be back in just under 30 minutes when we're at the hour mark, and we'll see how charged we are based on this is what we have. Okay, and this is the best wattage we've seen, literally around the 30-minute mark. Other than that, it's been about 70 to 80 watts going in. Okay, talk to you in a bit, guys. Okay guys, we are at the hour mark, and I'm just going to go over, we're going to see where we're at percentage wise. We are at 59%. I just unplugged everything, turn this on. I don't know if you can see that. Let's go to a different angle. Well, we're at 72%. Seems tough to read for some reason. So we are at 72%. I don't know if you can see that right up here. We started at 59, so that's 13% we've gone up in 1 hour. Now I want to show you this. This is what's above us now. That's what was above us. So that was above us. Now we're here for clouds. In the background it seems blue, but yeah, this is what's been above us the whole time. So I was coming out here hoping for a sunny day to give an example, but actually it works out well that you get to see where we're at right now. There we go. Does that show a little better at this angle? There you go, 72%. Now you can see it. Okay, but yeah, I just wanted to show everybody that. So here's the 300 watt solar blanket again. I'll put everything here away so you can see it how it all fits in the bags there. Yeah, so I will have links to this on the website, or sorry, on below the video. I'll have link to this specific kit. So this is specific to charging 52 volt batteries. We are going to have the 300 watt solar blanket with an Elojoy solar charge controller that can do 52, 60, and 72 volt batteries. It is programmable by you. Very simple to do. So I'll have that as well too. We'll do a video on that here shortly. But the fact is that the fact that we went up 13% on a 35 amp hour battery in 1 hour is really good based on that. This is low light conditions that we had that. But here, let me put everything away, guys. Give me a second. Then you can see how easily it folds up. But first thing I'm going to do, disconnect the controller, put this away. And like I said, this is going to be pre-programmed at the factory. Any of the Genasun ones, you can't change them. They're going to be specific to the voltage of your battery, whereas the Elojoy one, which I'm going to bring out and show you guys in future videos, will be programmable by you. Just the difference is the Genasun is 99% efficiency rating, whereas the Elojoy is 95. But here, see, the wind's picked up. It actually got a little chilly, so I put my jacket on because of that. So yeah, that just Velcros there. That's the 300 watt solar blanket, guys. And even with putting it in here, you still have room on the side where you could have your lunch, water bottle, what have you. You could have a lot of things. But other than that, guys, yeah, I'm happy with that. I was hoping for sun, but this will turn lemons into lemonade and show you how well this works. Other than that, guys, I did say it in previous videos as well too. David, the owner of E-Cells, the manufacturer of this specific e-bike, did give us a discount code where it saves you $100 US. I will have that in the description below if you are looking for a phenomenal bike. US-based company, veteran-owned company. I definitely appreciate working with veterans because I'm ex-military myself. Definitely take advantage, use that discount code and get an awesome bike. Definitely shop around, do your due diligence, but I gotta say, in my eyes, best bang for the buck out there. But yeah, this is it. Everything's put away, and again, these were the conditions we have. we'll see where we're at tomorrow, possibly do another video, weather dependent. Okay, we'll talk to you soon, guys. Any questions, I'm Rennie. I'm the owner of the company. Let us know if you want a custom package built. We are going to have pretty much all of the cables here by next week. Charge controllers, everything's ready to ship. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day. I know it's a bit windy, so hopefully you're able to hear what I'm saying, but it is what it is with the weather here. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Please like and subscribe to the videos. It definitely helps support the channel. Okay, we'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.